lost, we can get high. Because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. When all the things go wrong, I'll take a shot for you. Get me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing you this beautiful blue eyeliner and red lips makeup tutorial. So yep, if you are interested, then please keep on watching. To start off with the makeup, I'm gonna be firstly doing my eye makeup. So firstly, I'm gonna be prepping my eyelid area using this Clear Full Coverage Makeup Plus Concealer in the shade 1. I'm gonna take this concealer onto my brush and I'm gonna apply this concealer all over my eyelid. Once I'm done, I'm gonna be blending it out using my ring finger. To set the concealer on place and to make blending easy, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade 1, Ivory. I'm gonna take this compact onto my brush and I'm gonna apply it all over the eyelid area where I applied my concealer. Moving on to my eyeshadows, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. For that, I'm using Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in the shade Dark Grey. I'm gonna fill and define my brows with this pencil. Of this look is your eyeliner. A little bit of deepening your crease is important. For that, I'm gonna be using Maybelline the Blush Nudes eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna pick up that light brown silverish sort of a shade from the palette and I'm gonna apply it onto my crease. I'm gonna define my crease. Once I'm happy with the pigmentation, I'm gonna take my clean blending brush and I'm gonna blend it out to make sure there is no harsh edges or lines. A little bit of color onto the lid does not hurt anyone. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up that shade from the palette and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. I'm gonna pack this color all over my lid with using my flat brush. Here comes the hero of a video, blue liner. Yes, I'm using Miss Claire liquid liner in the shade, I guess, blue. You can use any liner, red liner, blue liner, yellow liner, white, silver. You do what you wanna do, your choice, you do what you wanna do. So yeah, I'm gonna apply this liner onto my upper eyelid with a wing. I'm going for a very bold liner with a bold wing. For applying fake lashes, I'm gonna be coating my eyelashes using Coloressnce H.D Volume mascara onto my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm gonna be doing my base makeup. Firstly, I'm gonna be prepping my skin using the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. It's a silicone based primer. It's perfect for dry as well as for oily skin type people. So yeah, I'm gonna apply this primer all over my face. I'm gonna leave this primer for at least 5 minutes and then I'm gonna be moving on to my foundation. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade Ivory. I'm gonna apply this foundation with the help of my fingers. Once I apply it, I'm gonna be blending out with the help of a damp beauty blender.
We can get high. Because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you.
Next, I'm gonna be concealing and highlighting my face using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light Trigger. I freaking love this concealer. It's amazing concealer. I think you all should definitely give it a try. So I'm gonna conceal my under eye dark circles. I'm gonna highlight my facial features, that is my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and also where my contour is supposed to be. Once I'm done, I'm gonna be blending it out using a damp beauty blender. Contouring is a must for this makeup look. For my contour, I'm gonna be using Kiss Beauty Contour and Concealer palette. I'm gonna pick up the contour shade from the palette and I'm gonna apply it onto the contour areas like my hollows of my cheeks, temples of my forehead, sides of my nose, underneath my lip and underneath my chin, like my jawline. Once I'm done with that, again I'm gonna take my damn beauty blender and I'm gonna blend it all in. To set my base makeup like my foundation, concealer, contour on place, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me Compact, the same compact. I'm gonna take this compact onto my brush and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. For my cheeks, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Dream Touch blush in the shade 05. I'm gonna take this blush onto my ring finger and I'm gonna apply it from the apples of my cheeks. It's a cream blush. If you work it out with your fingers, it's gonna give an amazing finish. Next, I'm gonna be highlighting my face using Nykaa Glow Getter Highlighter in the shade 24K Glam. I'm gonna pick up the pure gold shade from the quad and I'm gonna apply it onto the highest points of my face, that is my cheekbone, forehead, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, general areas, you know. To complete the entire makeup look, I'm gonna be using two lipsticks. One is from the Maybelline Lip Gredation and another one is the Elle Colourpop Matte Lipstick. Both the shade name will be mentioned in the description box for you guys. So firstly, I'm gonna be working on with the Elle Colourpop Matte Lipstick. I have already used it so much, so I'm gonna be working out with the help of my brush. So yeah, firstly I'm gonna be applying it all over my lips. Then I'm gonna be applying my lip gradation in the shade Red 1 all over my lips to complete the entire makeup look. That's pretty much. With that, I finished this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done. If you do try out this look, then do not forget to tag me or send me your pictures. See you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.
I'm gonna take a shot for you.